Hey, William, what you got?
I got some binoculars here. My dad's they're for me, so yeah.
They are for you. What are they for?
Seeing things. And so it's like you see a deer, you can see it, and then if you want to shoot it, you can see it and you know where it is, so you can shoot it.
Or for looking at birds?
Yeah.
Or for looking out and seeing if bad guys are around?
And looking for nature.
And looking for nature. Because when you go camping, would you want to look at nature?
Yeah, I'll be like,
Woo.
I'll be like,
how about when we will go canoeing? Can you use them when you go canoeing?
yeah, I'll be like, oh, there's some birds, there's some peacocks.
Or there's a good place to stop and rest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And or if we get lost, we can see what is good for us to eat.
Yeah. So those ones are waterproof and fog-proof, so they'd be good going canoeing, right?
Yeah.
10 by 42
Wait,
lenses.
If they drop in water, will they be like okay?
Well, maybe a little bit. They're coated. They're green coated.
Yeah, and I wish they were blue.
Helps with glare.
I wish they were blue to death.
And they're rubberized, which helps with 6-year-olds.
Yeah.
Right.
And it would be so cool if there would be like different colors of binoculars, like blue, green, red.
Well,
purple,
maybe
pink.
kids' binoculars, but those aren't kids' binoculars.
These are grown.
Those are a tool.
Yeah, these
And we're going to use them like when we go shooting. And that way, like, when you shoot, I can see where you're hitting. And when I'm shooting, you can see where I'm hitting.
Yes,
So you could be like,
so like-
go left, Dad. Go right, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Those are $25.99 with Prime shipping. And they're from 2
Where'd
Watt.
you find?
Not too terribly bad for the price. I don't quite like them. They don't adjust right to look through with my glasses. The eye relief is not right to look through with glasses.
These like the-
But somebody without glasses, they're not a bad deal.
Here.
Put them on, see if you can see me.
I can't.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You can look for trouble with that, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
They're cool.
Cool.
Well, we'll see you later, guys. Huh?